Jason from Oregado here with brand new technology called Rocket. Rocket is the first ever portable vibration speaker system, and what it does, in a sense, it turns anything into a speaker. Now how it works is, open Rocket from the back. It's got a spot for two AAA batteries to be inserted into it to power it. And the cool thing about Rocket is that if you don't have any AAA batteries, it can be simply powered off USB power or DC power. We'll get there in a minute. So what you want to do is put in your batteries, then pull out your headphone jack. You'll need that for later. And then unwind your Rocket pod cord, like so. Put your back on it. Click. And then right here, you'll see, this is where you turn your Rocket system on. Right here is where you can plug in for the USB jack, and Rocket's smart, so when you plug in for the USB power, it won't run off your batteries and drain your batteries. The Rocket pod will stick to any surface, and through the vibration sequences that it sends out, it turns anything into a speaker, kind of like your earbuds do to your ears. So, what you want to do is take your Rocket, plug it into your iPod, or anything else with a 3.5mm headphone jack, which is just your standard headphone jack. It can be found on laptops, Blackberries, iPods, iPhones, cell phones, anything. So then, what you do is press play on your device, like so. And you can hear music coming out a little bit, but the cool thing about it, when you take Rocket and you stick it to any surface, like your Kleenex box, for example, it turns your Kleenex box into speakers. And it turns your picture frame into a speaker as well. Alright, next, maybe you're like me, like your shredded wheats in the morning. Take your Rocket, pop some shredded wheats in your mouth, stick it to the box. It's nutritious, it's a speaker, and everyone's got it. One more time. Alright, let's try a cup. Everyone's got a paper cup. Remember the old telephones? Water bottle. Everyone's got plastic water bottles in their house. Take it off. Take a Rocket. Plastic bowls work really good too. Take Rocket, stick it to the bottom. Blow it up, like so. Take your Rocket, stick it to the bag. Listen to some music while you're microwaving, so just simply stick it to the microwave, press play. While you're doing your dishes in the sink, you listen to some music on your dishwasher. Cooking, flipping. Now people always ask about residue or dust or dirt sticking to the sticky pad. The cool thing about the sticky pad is all you need to do is simply turn on your faucet, put your finger under it, get your finger a little wet. Then you want to take your finger, put it on the sticky pad, and all the dirt comes right off. Take a towel and dry off your sticky pad, like so. And once it's cleaned off, the sticky pad actually gets back to about 95% of its original stickiness. And you can take it, like so, press play. We'll stick it down here to the dishwasher so you can see. So there you have it, Rocket, the first ever portable vibration speaker system that turns anything into a speaker. All you have to remember is to plug it, stick it, and rock it.